Hi there, I'm Research Bumangabang Libag. So in today's vlog, we will talk about communication. Communication barrier? Ano day? Communication breakdown. Hi there, I'm your Research Bumangabang Libag. So today in Hi there, I'm your Research Bumangabang Libag. So in today's vlog, we will talk about communication breakdown. So what is communication? Communication is a two-way process by means of sharing and transferring ideas, information, thoughts, or emotions from one person to the other. We communicate to other people for us to understand them and for them to understand us. However, there are instances wherein even if we try to carefully explain or we become meticulous in communicating, there is still misunderstanding that arises. That is where communication breakdown comes in. Communication breakdown is a failure in communication between two parties due to some barriers. So what are these communication barriers? First, we have the physical barrier. These are environmental conditions that acts as communication barrier in transmission of message from one person to the other. One example of this are noises in our environment that causes other people not to hear us clearly when we are speaking to them. The second barrier is the psychological barrier. These are mental barriers that refers to social and personal issues of a speaker towards communicating. This may be caused by shyness, trauma, anxiety, and depression. One example of this is when we speak in front of other people and we feel anxiety, which leads us to being unable to. This may be caused by shyness, trauma, anxiety, and depression. One example of this is when we present in front of other people and we feel anxiety. This results to us being unable to This may be caused by shyness, trauma, anxiety, or depression. One example of this is when we present in front of other people and we feel anxiety. This results to us being unable to say what we really wanted to say.